Now we have chosen keywords we want to rank for, and we know how to monitor our ranking on those keywords. It's time to take action and actually start to improve our position. These are the keywords we've chosen during our keyword research process. We will choose homepage design from these keywords as an example. We would like to gain organic traffic for this keyword. We don't have any page or content currently that was specifically created to be ranked for this keyword. We will create a blog post for this purpose. Alternatively, you could create a landing page, for example, homepage design section under services section. You can create a new blog post in any content management system, or even without it directly in the website code, but we will use WordPress platform as it is the most popular.
Go to your WordPress account and log in. We will install Yoast SEO plugin, which will make the whole process of optimizing your blog post for the chosen keyword much easier. Please note, you will need admin access to install this plugin. Go to the Plugins section from the left panel. Click on Add New. Type Yoast in the search field. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin name. After a while, Yoast plugin is installed. Click on the Activate button. Once it's active, you can start using it. Now go to the Posts tab and click on Add New to start creating your blog post. In the Yoast SEO section, enter your keyword as the focus key phrase. In our case, homepage design. Yoast suggestions are not always accurate, but it will remind you if you forget to add important elements like meta description. Let's start with the title of the web page, also known as title tag, which is the first thing that users see in the search results for certain keyword. In the snippet preview, you can see how your page title is looking in the search results at the moment. If you click on the Edit snippet, you can see that your title tag currently will display the title of the post or page, then the separator, and then the site title. You can change the separator by going to the SEO search appearance, and then you have plenty to choose. You can change the site title by going to the setting, then General, and you have the site title field. We will not change those, as dash and the name of our company are okay. The only thing we need to change is the post title. You can do it at the top. There are several rules you should have in mind while creating your title. Very important, it should consist of the keyword you want to be ranked for at the beginning or close to the beginning of the title. It should be interesting to encourage people to click. If your title is not clicked by the users, in search results your position will be weaker and weaker. The metric that shows what percentage of users click on your title is click-through rate or CTR, and you want it to be as high as possible. You can achieve this with a title that is intriguing or full with emotions, or that is a word game. Including a question in your title is generally a very good idea, as people would love to find the answer. It should not be too long, usually about 50 to 60 characters. It should not be deceiving, as even if the user clicks your link, if it doesn't match the search intent, your page will be immediately closed. It should be unique, so there is not the same title already. Having all of that in mind, our title will be Jaw-dropping homepage design in 5 simple steps. Let's enter that at the top. You can consider adding words like ranking, guide, report, current year, or similar that will help you to rank for long-term keywords and give users more information. Once we completed a title tag, now it's time for meta description. It is something that the users see below the title and should give more details and better idea what the page is about. Most of the rules for the title apply to meta description as well. It should contain your target keyword, be informative and interesting, and not too long, about 130 to 150 characters. We will use find out the best homepage design tips and tricks from the experts, condensed guide with real examples, practical knowledge and stunning visuals. After finishing our title and description, we can move to the content part. There are a lot of guidelines to follow if you want to produce engaging, SEO optimized content for your audience. Number 1. First of all, your content should be in accordance with what people are expecting by searching for certain keywords and then clicking on your link, it should be aligned with your title and meta description. Number 2. With its latest updates, Google promotes longer, complex content that users spend more time on. For blog posts, you can aim at 2000 plus words. Also, it gives better chance user will spend more time on your web page. Number 3. It should bring amazing value and be of high quality. You can achieve that if the content is up to date, written by the professional copywriter, and contains a lot of visual elements like images, videos, charts, interactive pieces. It's much better to use custom-made photos or videos than use generic one from stock. Also, use as much practical advice and case studies as possible. Number 4. You can structure your content to answer the most frequent questions, which will help with optimization for voice search as well. Give your content the proper structure by using H2 tags for each new concept. You can do it by clicking on the plus icon and then on adding a heading block. H2 tag will be chosen by default. Once you add your heading, you can add paragraph blocks to continue writing. This way, your content will be more intuitive to both users and robots. Number 5. The same as with title and meta description, use your target keyword in your content too. Your keyword should be used within first 100 words of the text. Don't stuff text with keyword artificially, but it should rather come up naturally. Don't only use your keywords, but also synonyms and closely related terms that are often used with your keyword in the same context. These are called the LSI keywords. There are some tools which you can use to find them. For example, go to the lsigraph.com. Enter your keyword in the search box and click Generate. You receive plenty of ideas of keywords you can use in your article that are related to keyword you want to be ranked for. Looking at the results, you can write about homepage design templates. You can use keyword website layout, and so on. This tactic will tell Google that your web page is comprehensive. Number 6. Use internal links. If you have on your website other articles that cover this or similar topic, include a link to these articles. Also, in those articles, include a link to this new article. This way, all of the content is nicely connected, and also, if other article has a lot of traffic and a good position in Google, your new article will instantly benefit from that. You include internal link simply by highlighting the text you want to link, for example, website design, clicking on the chain icon, and enter the name of the internal page, and choose it from the list. Number 7. Apart from linking to internal articles, you should also link to respectable external articles. It gives your user additional valuable sources and help you to position as an expert in the topic. You include external link simply by highlighting the text you want to link, for example, website design, clicking on the chain icon, and entering the URL address of the web page you want to link to. Number 8. Any image that you use should be optimized. Its file name and alt text should both contain your keyword. Alt text is something that will be shown if the image is not displayed correctly. You optimize image by simply adding it to the article with plus icon. Then uploading the image with the correct name with your keyword or LSI keyword, and then choosing the alt text in the right panel. These are the most important things to optimize when it comes to content. Let's copy-paste the text according to all these suggestions. You can see links, videos, images, keywords used, etc. You can see that Yoast is not complaining too, which is indicated by the green face. Apart from content optimization, you should take care of the URL. It should also contain your keyword and be as short as possible. Also, links should be consistent with other pages on your website. You can change the link by clicking on the title of the blog post and click Edit next to the permalink which is displayed. We will change it to Homepage Design Guide with dashes. Also, you should take care of your page speed. It can be improved by choosing the fast web hosting provider keeping the small size of the whole website, low size of images, and low amount of external scripts on your page that require time to execute. If your site is slow, users will be annoyed and will stop using it. Last two things. Make sure you are using HTTPS instead of HTTP, meaning your website is secure, which you can achieve by buying HTTPS certificate, activating it and installing. And making sure that your website is mobile friendly, easy to read and interact with. Okay, these are the most important on-page SEO things you should take care of. By applying them, you put your web page in a great position when it comes to keyword ranking. However, you should also take care of the second piece of the puzzle, which is off-page SEO optimization. We will cover that in the next video.